This secret was revealed to me by my 50-year-old aunt. You get longer lashes in 5 days thanks to this. They make our gaze more intense and make us look more feminine. We are always looking for and buying products to lengthen our tabs, and apart from they are expensive, almost never work. You will be surprised to know that in order to have long, beautiful lashes you do not need to spend. With a little time and some ingredients that you have at home you can achieve excellent results. Using natural products you do not risk applying chemicals that harm your face. Want to know how to lengthen your eyelashes naturally? Here are some tips to help you achieve your goal. 1. Clean and remove makeup regularly. It is very important to clean and after applying makeup. The makeup and residue of the mask tend to tighten the eyelashes and make them brittle. 2. Brush the eyelashes. It sounds a bit weird but there are a few small combs to brush the eyelashes. It is advisable before applying the mask, from bottom to top. This will stimulate each follicle. If you do it regularly you will notice that your eyelashes will grow. 3. Nourish and moisturize. Just like we do with our skin or our hair, lashes also need nutrients to stay strong and maintain their shine. Something easy and quick is Vaseline. Just a little Vaseline in the root of the eyelashes, every night before sleep will give you incredible results. You have to be consistent and do the treatment continuously so you can see a change. 4. Almond oil. It has a number of nutritional properties, applies a little on each eyelid, and gives a small massage to the eyelashes before bed. 5. Castor oil and rum. This will give you very good results when it comes to lengthening your eyelashes. To create the lotion you need, 3 teaspoons castor oil, 1 teaspoon rum, 1 brush to apply. Mix well and apply on the eyelashes, avoid contact with the eyes.